In this video, we'll go over the characters ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Before we begin, let's talk about how to pronounce the consonant sound for ra, ri, ru, re, ro. When romanizing these characters, we often spell them using the letter R, but it's actually pronounced as a soft T or D sound, as in butter or pudding. Keep that in mind as you practice saying these characters. The first character we'll learn is ra. 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 Which of these characters is ra? Ra. Karada. Karada. Abura. Abura. Kujira. Kujira. The next character we'll learn is ri. 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 Which of these characters is ri? Ri. Desu. Desu. Omatsuri. Omatsuri. Fumikiri. Fumikiri. The next character we'll learn is ru. 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 Which of these characters is ru? Ru. Iruka. Iruka. Kuruma. Kuruma. Taberu. Taberu. The next character we'll learn is re. 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 Which of these characters is re? Re. Kirei. Kirei. Reizouko. Reizouko. Ureshii. Ureshii. The final character we'll learn in this video is ro. 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 Which of these characters is ro? Ro.お風呂。お風呂。 ろうそく、ろうそく。面白い、面白い。We learned the characters ら、り、る、れ、ろ。In the next lesson, we'll go over the characters わ、お、ん. See you in the next video.